Hey guys, how are we doing today? This is Wally with LearningNet.com, and in this A2 hosting review, I wanted to just share with you guys some new exciting things that are going on right now with A2 hosting, especially with their web hosting. If you guys are looking for a great deal to start a blog or a WordPress website today, I'm going to go over briefly their shared and WordPress hosting plans itself. If you guys are wanting to start blogging online and make some extra money, on the side to supplement your current job that you have, then this video today will share with you guys some really great deals that I came across. And also I give you my personal take about what I think about using A2 hosting to date. If you guys are new here to this channel for LearningNet.com, hit the subscribe button right below, along with the bell, guys, and that way any future videos that I put up, you'll be sure to receive them. So as I mentioned before, I wanted to share with you guys some really great deals that are going on right now, especially if you're on a tight budget and you're looking for a great, easy, fast way to get online with your very own website. So A2 Hosting has been around for a very long time, and I've been with them for quite some time and been able to create a few WordPress websites using their platform itself. They have really great customer service. They have really great uptime performance, and they really care about security. Three important areas that I feel as a blogging entrepreneur are extremely important to know before getting started with any web hosting provider that's out there. So, you guys will notice that A2 Hosting has different types of web hosting that you can use to create your website online. There's a shared web hosting itself, where you'll notice the four plans rather, that they have here: the Startup, Drive, Turbo Boost, and Max. The startup plan is really for people that want to create just one website online, but if you're into like network marketing, affiliate marketing, you're an Amazon affiliate or something like that, or maybe even a developer, the Drive, Turbo Boost, and Max plans will probably be ideal for you because they allow you to create unlimited websites across the board. If you guys use the links that are right below in the descriptions portion of this video, you'll be able to get up to 66% off of your web hosting today. They are affiliate links. I do receive credit for it if you do use them, but it allows me to continue to create helpful tutorials and reviews like this to help you guys to find great deals online and to help you put your websites online. So I really appreciate it if you guys could use those links below, and that way you'll get your discount today with A2 Hosting. When you look at their WordPress web hosting itself, you'll notice, guys, that they have some really great plans itself. I've been using currently their Drive plan for the shared web hosting. I like that one because, again, it provides everything that I need. You'll notice that the price points are pretty much the same. The real difference with the WordPress side of things is that you have more bells and whistles and add-ons for WordPress platforms. So again, you can use the links that are right below, and that way you guys can take advantage of a big discount off your web hosting today. What I wanted to share with you guys also is the cPanel. So once you get started with the web hosting package that you feel would be best for you, with the links below, what you're going to do is just get started by using the button that appears, right here. Whether you're going to go with the Startup, Drive, Boost, or Max, just hit either one of these buttons right here, and that way you guys can get started. And what you're going to do is you're going to be selecting or choosing a domain name, what you're going to call your website itself on that very next page, and setting up your account with A2 Hosting, and you'll be on your way to creating your website. And speaking about, your website itself, once you get started today, A2 Hosting is going to send you credentials to your email for what's called your cPanel, which I'm logged into right now. So, with my account with A2 Hosting, this is the back office, if you will, called cPanel. And this is really where everything starts, where you can install, WordPress on your actual domain itself that you have purchased today with A2 Hosting. It's really easy to do, guys, with that. I do have other tutorials, on my channel that you can check out to learn how to create WordPress websites. I'll link to some of them below. That way you can find out step by step, how to do that. But this is the back office, the cPanel itself. and you can see you have tons of resources here. You have some free e-marketing tools, email marketing tools, SEO tools that help you to get indexed and help you to rank a lot faster in the search engines. You'll get free CDN, which helps with page loads through Cloudflare. So you'll get that for free. Tons of resources, guys, that come with your A2 hosting back office, a cPanel, as you can see, right here. Just to show you guys an example of a website that I just created using A2 hosting that I'm going to be finishing up the customization, dogsubscription.com. So this is a website that I used A2 hosting to create. It's really cute, right? With the puppy there. I really love the dogs and stuff. So anyway, you can see it's just it just needs to be customized, with the client's info, but plug in like their phone number and all of that. And you can see pictures, but I could show you guys step by step how to create websites just like this, professionally looking websites where you can just personalize it with your very own info. I mean, again, I have tutorials on my channel where it takes you step by step, and I encourage you guys to check them out today, where to show you, from purchasing your domain name, from your web hosting to installing WordPress on the domain name itself, from actually creating the actual website, just like you guys are seeing right now. It's very easy, doesn't require any, coding or HTML experience. Anybody can do this if you're willing to follow some step-by-step instructions. So again, this is just one of many websites that I've been able to create online, but I'm going to finish up, the customization of this website with the client's info itself. And so anyway, just going back to A2 Hosting, guys, they're an extremely reliable web hosting provider. They have really great 24/7 customer support. They're very nice, very fast at responding to tickets, and also their phone support. Great uptime. They're super reliable. And I recommend beginners to, use A2 Hosting because they're super cheap to get started with, especially if you're on a very tight budget and you're looking for a fast way to get online to create a WordPress blog or even a website, guys. So just wanted to put up this video really quick to share with you guys who I recommend for creating websites for beginners for 2020 going forward. I hope you guys have an amazing day. Be safe, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel and use the links right below. That way you can save big on your web hosting today. Take care.